Hi everyone. Today we'll see some important SQL queries which is frequently asked in the interviews for Oracle SQL, PL SQL, Oracle apps, technical at any level, whether it's basic, intermediate or advanced. I'll walk through some hacker ranked important queries which will be easy to understand and similar questions can be asked in the interviews. Let's get started. So this is the medium difficulty level question. Let's read the question first and understand what exactly is the requirement. So we are given with a table BST which contains two columns called N and P, where N represents the value of a node in the binary tree and P is the parent of the N. So we need to write a query to find the node type of that particular tree, which should be ordered by the value of the node. Output should have a type with that node, whether it's a root node, leaf node, or inner node. So if we'll see the illustration of the binary tree, the node which is not having any parent node from where everything starts is called a root node. The nodes which are not having any child nodes are considered as leaf nodes, and the ones which are having both is considered as inner node. So we need to write a query which will fetch the value of this node along with the type of that node. So let's get started with our query. We'll first fetch the values of the node column, and then we need to derive the type of that node where we will use case statement to derive that type. So here the logic will flow if any node which is not having any parent, that means it's a parent node. So we'll write when p is null, that means it's a root node. So then for to derive the inner node, if any current node value is also a parent for some other node, that means it's a inner node. So we'll write the logic like when n, which is the current node value, belongs to any p value of any other row from the same table, then it's an inner node. And in other cases, in the else statement, we'll put leaf node. If these two conditions are not matching, that means this is a leaf node. So I'll complete the statement by giving the alias of that column called node type, and we'll derive this value from the table called BST. Apart from that, we also need to derive the query ordered by the value of the node. So we'll just put the ordered by clause with the column n, and it should be in the ascending order. So by default it will take ascending order if nothing is specified. Let's run the code whether it's giving us the expected result or not. So the result is as expected. It is deriving the values as per the node. We will see similar type of queries which is frequently asked in the interview questions in coming videos. Please subscribe my channel for further updates.